জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Welcome, Mrs. Basu. Come in.
Glory to you, priest.
Greetings.
Glory to you.
Mom, you stay here then. Talk to your guru. I'll come after some time and take you.
Wait, Topabrato. Please don't go.
Why, sir? What will I do here?
You are perhaps angry with me. Yet I'd say it's important for you to stay for this discussion.
Sir, let me tell you something. I'm Deepu's father. I won't do anything as such that will harm Deepu. I got Trineni married to him because I thought it was right. And no matter what others say, this marriage is still not null and void. So it's not possible for me to be a part of the discussion on Deepu's remarriage, sir.
Topabrato, I did not call you here to discuss Dripto's remarriage.
But that's what you said back at home.
Yes, I did. It's because I did not have another option. Just the way I did not have any option to tell the truth.
Truth? What truth? What happened? Why are you so quiet, sir? Tell me, what truth are you talking about?
Oh, priest, I am already in a dilemma. Please don't add to my worries, priest. Please tell us what the truth is, which you couldn't tell us before.
After studying her palm lines, I actually lied. The truth is, she is Dripto's protective shield.
What?
Wow! You made such nice garlands. I didn't imagine you would make such pretty garlands.
As a kid, I used to sit next to my grandfather and make garlands for Lourdes. That's how I learnt it.
You are quite talented. The garlands are beautiful. Listen, I will go now. I have work to do.
Listen. Well, I know that you need these garlands, but will you give me a garland? I want to offer it to Lourdes and pray to her.
How sweet. You made these garlands. Of course you can take it. The longest garland is yours. Take this garland and offer it to the Lord and pray. Pray to the Lord that you couldn't find the bottle of poison. Despite searching everywhere, pray that she gives you a hint. If you find the bottle, people won't suspect that you poisoned the milk, and you'll be able to stay in this house. I will feel really bad if you go away from here. I got attached to you in these few days. Take it. Actually, I am a simpleton. I easily get attached to people. I'll get going. Ta-ta.
Did you know what are you saying, sir? Well, despite knowing all about the truth, you lied about Trineni in front of Deepu back at home? Oh, why did you do that, sir? Why? Do you know how much humiliation Trineni has to endure at home because of this lie? I was counting on you, sir. But you, why, sir? Why you did this?
Calm down, Topu. If you get so agitated, you might fall sick, son.
I don't care. But how can I calm down, Mom? Tell me. Huh? I knew it. I knew that I didn't make a mistake by getting Deepu and Trinani married, Mom. Neither of you could have faith in me. And the one who misunderstood me the most is Deepu. Did you see how he insults the girl and misbehaves with her? Besides, this was the only way left. Sir could have told the truth at home at that time. But he...
I know my Guru very well. I strongly believe that he did not do that without reason. I am sure there is some good reason because of which a person like him hid the truth about Trinani. He lied in front of everyone. Tell us, priest, why did you lie about it? Why?
You are right, madam. I was compelled to lie about it. And I lied in order to save Trinani.
What do you mean?
I was shocked to see her palm lines, Topabrotho.
Yes, I noticed that. But why, sir? What do her palm lines suggest?
That girl is definitely lucky for Dripto, but she is unfortunate. Her palm lines suggest that while saving her husband, she will die. She will take all his trouble completely upon herself.
Pray to the Lord that you couldn't find the bottle of poison. Despite searching everywhere, pray that she gives you a hint.
You told me, Topabrotho, that you got them married and brought her home. When I visited your place, I realized that you love her like your own daughter. Now tell me, Topabrotho, if you see danger coming towards her, will you like it, Topabrotho?
Lourdes, this is my last chance. You have helped me save so many people from danger because I could foresee their future. Help me today as well, Lourdes. Please help me find the bottle of poison, Lourdes. Then I won't have to go away from my husband. Help me stay around him so that I can protect him, Lourdes.
What poses a threat to Trinani, sir?
Whether it is inside your house or outside, a dangerous conspiracy is being planned against Dripto. That poison is the proof of it. Had I said in front of everyone after studying her palm lines that Trinani is his protective shield, then everyone would have got to know about it. And they might try to kill Trineni in order to harm Dripto. In fact, they would kill her first. Her! Ma'am, please, you tell me. How could I push that girl towards death after knowing everything? Tell me, is only the life of your son important? Isn't that girl's life important, Topobroto? Now you tell me, if I made a mistake by lying about it.
Straighten it. What are you doing? Fix the corner. Look at that corner. Listen, where's the welcome note? Have you fixed it outside? Fix these. I'll be right back. Why are these flowers lying here?
Oh no! If Dripto sees the basket of flowers, there will be a big problem.
Hurry up and take those flowers, okay? Rangana, what are you doing here? Do you want to say something?
What? Yes. It looks beautiful with flowers everywhere. The house looks different. This side is in a bad condition. There are no flowers here. It looks awful.
Over there?
Yes.
What do you mean there are no flowers there? Let me see. It is in the center. And there are flowers too. What's wrong with her? Rangana!
Deepu, you have decorated the house very well. Do you remember? On Kalpana's birthday, you used to decorate the house just like this. Whether anyone remembered it or not, you always remembered your mother's birthday. You used to surprise your mom by making a bouquet. Do you remember it, Dripto? Tell me.
I don't understand. What do you want to prove by always reminding me of my mother? You want to make me sad, right?
No, I was just...
No matter how hard you try, today my mother's coming back from the hospital, and I won't miss any chance to welcome her.
Aunt, don't mind what Dripto said. Actually, he is elated. He is decorating the house as his mother is coming back. I am decorating the room for the nuptial night. But I have only one regret. My friend won't be able to deck up for her nuptial night. She has nothing. And do you remember she left the jewelry she was given as gifts? What will happen now? Who said that your friend wouldn't deck up? You go and decorate the room for the nuptial night. Adorning Trineni is my responsibility. I'll adorn her with those ornaments. Don't worry.
So what is the solution now? How can I throw her out of the house after knowing everything? After you left, I said I would throw her out of the house. But if I stop her now, people will question me. What will I tell them, priest? You said the enemies are both inside and outside the house. What should I do now, priest? Please tell me.
What? You haven't sent her back to the village yet? If you keep her here, her death is certain. Will you kill her in order to save the son of your family?
But if she goes away, who will save my grandson, priest? You had said that it was impossible to save him without the protective shield.
Yes, that's right. Wait, I have to find a solution so that our work is done and no one is harmed. Well, Topobroto, tell me something. Why did you choose Trineni as Dripto's wife?
My granddaughter can foresee the future.
Topobroto, you are hiding something, right? There is perhaps some reason that gave you a hint that that girl should be Dripto's protective shield. What is that reason that you did not tell anyone in the family? Not even your mother?
Hey Topu, the priest is right. There is something for sure, because of which you brought Trineni here. I should have realized this earlier. You never went against me or disobeyed me. You never did anything without informing me, and I didn't notice that out of anger. Tell me, Topu, please tell me, why did you get her married to my grandson? Tell me.
How do I hide it today? For that, I have to lie to my mother. I think I have to tell her everything today. But will it be right to tell her about it?
What's the matter, Topobroto? Why are you quiet? Tell us. What did you actually see in Trineni? And tell me something. Trineni said that day, Kalpana performed the ritual and welcomed her home. Is she telling the truth? Can she really see Dripto's dead mother? Tell me. Do you really believe it?
I'm talking about your own mother, Dripto. I'm talking about the one whose photo is kept in that room and a lamp is burning. I really promised his mother, believe me.
What do I tell them and how much? I can't understand anything.
Lourdes, my forehead isn't aching right now. You aren't giving me any hints, Lourdes. Won't you give me a ray of hope? Whatever I did earlier, I did it with your blessings. And Lourdes, if you don't help me now, then how will I be able to find the bottle of poison?
Trineni.
You?
Yes, it is me. Tell me, where have you kept your attire you got during the ritual?
I've kept it at the Lourdes' feet.
Oh my. You have kept it at Lord's feet?
This is Mother's blessings. I can't keep it just anywhere.
Deepu gave you some ornaments also. Why did you leave them there?
No, they are expensive ornaments. I don't want all that. He gave me Mother's sari and I'm happy with that.
Oh, Deepu. She has no greed. And you think she is greedy? You shouldn't calculate the price. The attire embodies your mother-in-law's blessings. And so does this jewelry. That is why I'll make you wear this attire. And ornaments. And adorn you. It's a wedding ritual.
He hasn't accepted me as his wife, Aunt. So why celebrate this wedding ritual?
Listen, I don't know whether you are Deepu's protective shield or not. All I know is you are Deepu's wife. So today, I want to adorn you as a bride for your wedding ritual. Will you fulfill my wish?